EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, premier bathroom remodeling in Tibble Fork. EagleRidge Roofing and Construction is the premier choice for bathroom remodeling in Tibble Fork, Utah, 84003, offering top-quality services tailored to meet diverse client needs. Our expert team specializes in transforming bathrooms with installations or replacements of tubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, fixtures, lighting, cabinets, and tile. Located in the heart of Tibble Fork, we ensure every project aligns with local building codes and client specifications. From design and planning to demolition and structural modifications, we handle every aspect with precision. Our services also include plumbing installation or relocation, electrical work, and ventilation upgrades, ensuring a seamless remodeling experience. We go beyond the basics, offering waterproofing, drywall repair, and meticulous tile work. Whether it's a bathtub and shower installation, vanity and sink setup, or cabinet installation and refacing, we focus on both functionality and aesthetics. Our expertise also extends to flooring installations, painting, wallpapering, and trim work to give your bathroom a polished finish. For those seeking a luxury upgrade, we provide heated flooring, smart technology integration, skylight installations, radiant heating, and even fireplace setups for an opulent spa-like experience. Additional offerings include sauna or steam room installations, jacuzzi or spa tub setups, bidets, and eco-friendly water filtration systems. EagleRidge Roofing and Construction is dedicated to delivering outstanding results in Tibble Fork, Utah. If you're looking to enhance your bathroom with expert solutions and stunning designs, call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate. Let us bring your dream bathroom to life with unmatched craftsmanship and attention to detail.